Nomad Terra crawlers. One interesting fact I notice about this group is that the only time they actually look smart is when they pose for the camera. For a brief moment, in their silence, as gaze deeply into horizon of virgin summits, it seems like there could be a profound truth to be found in their eyes, and you could almost forget that these monomaniac nutbags dedicate their entire lives walking and running on trails. Join us as we end the year slowing down and relaxing at Puerto Galera, a place that gained popularity in the mid-2000s, inviting youngsters to swim, play, and party.
With you, oh honey body, what you doing Sunday? Maybe sipping the Coca-Cola with me, baby. Oh yeah, honey body, yeah. Cause everybody wants a honey body someday. Mama said they were growing them trees easy, hands down on the ground. To me, honey body, please me. Honey body, want your body.
We are in the So we're here, we'll take lunch, settle down, and probably do some activities later. Yahoo! Party!
Under pressure it's safe, it's so easy. Oh yeah, honey body. Oh honey body, what you doing Sunday? Maybe sipping the Coca-Cola with me, babe. Oh yeah, honey body. Honey body, yeah. 'Cause everybody wants a honey body someday. Mama said it'll grow on the trees easy. Hands down on the ground. I'm begging to be honey body, please me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Honey body, want your body.
That's how you die.
Honey body, want your body.
Spending the first day running. Everyone's here. We're gonna meet Kristian first. Apparently he's here. He's gonna do whatever trail we're gonna find here. See what we can make out of it. Man. Happy holidays, man. It's your thing. Thank you very much. Yeah. Contraband. You'll be afraid. Yeah. Yeah.
My hands down on the ground, begging you to please, honey body.
Christian says, take it easy because he's injured. We're having a hard time catching up. Pressure's on me. Yep, end of the line for us. Then we go back. Thanks, Kristian, for bringing us here. Yeah, it is. Very runnable trails and offers some views. Yeah, yeah, it was slippery down there. Yeah. We saw some locals, the natives as well. Must be deep, huh? That part? Oh. Yeah. It's time to run. Kristian had to go, he had things to do, his family's here. So it was so nice for him to accompany us, show us around. Looks like we're gonna go back there tomorrow to do a short run. And here we are finding some dinner spots. So far the beach is very lively. It's back to its glory at some level. I hope we can find some good chow spots.
What is mine is yours to keep.
It's just about sunrise.
Talking about DNA snatching.
About your dreams. Walking towards the beach next to us, which is Tamarao. Check it out, and then we'll probably go to a new one beach and Talipanan if we have the time. So we have to be back by 7, have our breakfast, then 8 o'clock we go snorkeling.
Of the bed, looking at the faded pictures for you to see and me to see. Murdered colonies, land without rivers raging.
So apparently we're adopting Goodest Boy is the name. We're adopting him for the meantime. So we go back to the hotel.
Safety's in
ship. Go island hopping with a ship.
with all the stars around me, could solve the mystery. It's a show of fantasy. We're living in a land that we're strict in mystery.
Mas nangiuna pa sa conference.
Look at that vibrato.
Grabe, ang sarap matulog. Di ba may mga spa na sa sand?
Sila. Morning little beach run. Today supposedly we go to Mount Masimbo, but the clouds just look ominous. So we don't really have a protection against the cold, and we don't want to risk it and just play safe instead.
Okay, so it's our last day here at Puerto Galera. I am semi-vlogging this. No, so we'll be leaving later in the afternoon around 2. Okay, 1, sorry. So meanwhile, we'll be trying out the UFO mainly for curve and safe.
I'm doing this for Kervin. He didn't say yes, he wouldn't do it.
It's a charity.
Charity event so that he can actually have his dreams fulfilled to be an alien.
This is Kervin, man of the quarter hour.
This is the day that he became a man.
For,
So he was a boy for the longest time, from learning curve
for 15 minutes.
to learning straight.
I don't know!
Oh no, you have to figure it out. But you're going to Talsik. Oh my god, yes.
If Talsik, Puerto Galera or Singapore, okay?
Let's go.
Better